Would it play ya?
iOS. Here you go.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I originally today was planning on doing the lift pump and all the whole fuel system on the Duramax because we kind of started the build yesterday. But when you get this much snow overnight and you own a Subaru or an Evo, I think it's time to go play. We're gonna go play in the snow today, and we got some mods for the STI a little bit later on as well. So yeah, let's head out and go do some rippers. This wheel? Holy shit. Bro, there's literally like aluminum missing. There's like holes in your wheel.
I didn't feel it at all though. That's the weirdest. I don't want to be on the channel anymore.
Oh my god.
Like I said, it happened when I was turning in Napa. I think it just barely nicked the curb. Like,
bro, that ain't barely
I didn't feel it at all though. Like, that's the weird.
You got like an inch missing.
These are my bummy winter wheels, I'll just say that.
He hit the curb. What a goon.
Bro, I can't steer either.
That's fun. Ripping.
Look at the poor front of my car.
Are you following?
Look at her.
You want to go try?
No.
Bro, it's deep. It's like, I thought I was going to get stuck.
You want to go rip it, babe? Why?
Go ripper.
I don't want to. I just want to go work on her.
Should we go to stop and work?
Yes.
Okay. She's a snowplow. Oh my gosh. They said on the news today we're gonna get 1 to 3 inches. I think we got like 1 to 3 feet. All right, we gotta let Bobby's car thaw out a little bit after the shenanigans, and then we're gonna throw some more carbon fiber on it. Not really the best time for it, but it is what it is. Come here, Bob. We got some goodies for you.
Holy crap, where did all this stuff come from?
The first item that we popped, that we got today.
What is it for?
It's for my M3. It's just, so here's the problem with parts sometimes, all right? Sometimes when you try to find a part, you know, it's like, cool, nice carbon fiber hood vents for the M3. But then you think they're like hood vents, but they're actually just overlays. Strictly for looks. It is what it is. They're gonna look sick though. It's kind of like the mirror caps that we have on there. Literally just an overlay, so.
Can I see?
We can put these on a different day. Well, shoot. You want to set one on?
I want to hold it. ASAP.
How do they make these things so damn thin?
It's real carbon fiber.
I know, but it's not a whole vent. It's just a cover.
Let's see how she would look. Wow. That's just a game changer.
Do you like it?
How could you not? Can I go potty now?
Yes. I can dig it. Clean, super clean. I'm stocking up parts for an M3 episode so we can install those then, preferably when we get the FRM back. Next item we got is for Bobby. I don't think it's for Bobby's car, it's for Bobby herself. He had a package for you.
SK Tools? Is this really for me?
What size is it?
Well, hey, it is for me. They didn't forget about me after all. Dang, thanks, SK Tools.
They can be all toasty in the shop when we work. Shout out to SK. Really appreciate you guys hooking Bobby up.
You didn't even get this pen, babe. I'm way more cool than you now. Dang, that's really nice.
That is nice. Can I have that?
That looks really warm.
It's a fleece.
Yep. Nope, you can't have.
That looks good on you.
Thanks, babe.
You look like a mechanic. Okay, now moving on to the STI parts. Let's have Bobby open all this up because it's all for her car.
What are these?
The look of confusion.
What is it?
Follow me.
Can we go around my car and I'll guess?
First mod, Bobby doesn't know what it is. Which, if I didn't buy them, I wouldn't know what they are either.
Yeah, look at them. Like, would anybody know what this is directly out of the box?
It's an eyebrow.
It really looks like one.
Close, but wrong side of the car.
I found out where they go. Ooh. That looks real nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah. How could you not?
You say that with every carbon fiber piece ever known to mankind.
Well, how could you not like carbon fiber?
I know, they're pretty clean. I can vibe with them.
They're so clean.
Okay, that's item number 1.
And the tape's already on there?
Yes.
Kind of looks like a dinky tape.
That is the first mod. They're called exhaust finishers. I think they look really, really nice. And, you know, they just look cool. That's about it. I believe this box has 3 mods inside of it. So this is the
3?
This is the ultimate mod.
You already opened it.
I had to make sure, like.
So you already know it's
No, I just opened it. I was like, okay, carbon fiber, cool.
Ooh, 1 mod. 4 mod.
Don't cut the carbon.
I won't, Dad. Sometimes I forget you're filming. What could it be? There's 2 of them, so, you know.
This is the part that I don't know if we're gonna install.
Why?
You'll see.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. That looks so good.
Do you like those? There was no, listen, hear me out. There was 2 different options. Option 1 kind of came up on the bumper, like the ones that we got for Bobby. Option 2 is like the M3 where it sits completely under the bumper. I think these ones look good.
That looks so good. I just wish that the skirts were already on her as well.
So we can hold off on putting those on until we do the skirts and lip. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Not only is that not gonna flow if we don't put the skirts and lip on right now, which obviously we're not going to because there's 8 feet of snow outside. I also don't want these to get ripped off in the snow. So we're gonna hold off on the rear bumper aprons, spats for now.
I just got asked on Instagram if me and you were Mormon because we're so well put together.
I ain't well put together for now.
They just really tape them up good, huh?
This is another mod I don't know if you're gonna like. I think I'll like it. I just don't know if you're gonna like it.
I think I know what it is. No, I don't know what it is.
It's really like up in the air if it's gonna look good.
Like tall in the air, like up in the air.
Up in the air.
Ooh.
Wait, what is that? Okay.
It's for the...
Apparently everything I bought is for the back of the car.
Why would I not like it? Is it for this? Is that what it is?
I don't think it's gonna fit.
Is it right here?
No, I don't think it goes there.
The manufacturer really fucked up.
That thing, that's like a dunk.
You know what? Oh.
Do you like it? That looks. So this is they had two different styles once again.
Yeah.
One that was for wingless, or one that fit right around the wing. So this is made for the STI with the wing. Do you like that?
I really like it.
I always do like a lip and a wing on all my cars. But if you don't like it, you can just shove it right up your rump. Right up the rear end she goes.
Can I hold it? The thing that I hate about it is that I didn't know where it went.
That looks good.
It looks really good.
Imagine if damn, I should buy a little gurney flap for her. Do you like gurney flaps?
Cute, babe. Why can't we put this on?
No, we can put that on.
Oh. We gotta drill into the freaking trunk.
No, you don't have to. If you want to, you can.
Yeah.
I thought that was it. Wait, this might be for my car then. Wait, what is this? I don't even know what I bought. This thing looks stellar. Is that even a word these days?
Honey.
Well, I heard my dad say that once.
I don't like that word. Stellar.
Oh, I know what it is.
Is it for mine?
Yeah. This is another one of those things where it's just like an overlay when I wanted the whole piece. I guess every single thing we bought
Is for the back of the car.
is for the back of the car. Well, not everything we bought, everything that just showed up today. This piece is immaculate.
Ooh, yes.
So this is another one of those things where we could replace this whole piece with a, bless you,
Thank you.
with a full carbon one, which is like $300 or $400 or something dummy expensive, and that was half the price. So if you want,
No.
we can return it.
No, an overlay is fine with me, babe.
Okay, cool. Say less.
Yeah, babe.
So today we're gonna be installing. Should we do the exhaust finishers today? What are you doing?
Don't put that in. Don't put that in. Oh, honey, I'm not freaking kidding. Don't do that. That was for you to see only.
Should we do the exhaust stuff today too, or would you be worried those would fall off? I don't think they would ever fall off. The exhaust bezels. Should we put them on? Okay. So here's all the pieces that we get to install on Gary today.
Okay.
We have a trunk clip.
Okay.
Beautiful. This is probably my favorite mod.
Yeah. That's really
We have the exhaust finishers, carbon fiber, and then a trunk garnish in carbon fiber. Those rear bumper spat things, we're gonna throw on with the skirts and lit come springtime.
Yeah.
That's gonna be like game changer.
That will be the game changer.
All 4 of these items, I'll link down below. And I'm pretty sure all 4 of these items are gonna fit perfect, judging by the test.
Yeah.
Unlike that goddamn girl. I think it's a pile of dung.
Yeah, that was sad.
Would you like to say anything?
No, not when you put me on the spot. Oh. Hi, Big Hoss.
What's the first mod you like to install?
Well, I want to do the truck.
You can do my truck.
I want to do the trunk bill.
Trunk Bill. Who's Bill? I love Bill.
Okay, well, you know what I mean, right?
We're installing the trunk lip, aka the deck bill. Everything that we're installing today all has the same process. Blow off all the water, IPA wipe down, stick on some tape, and install the part. First of all, here's how she looks with nothing on it. Clean, naked butt. Is that funny?
That was kind of cute.
That's a game changer. First mod is complete. Wham bam chicka cam. Next up is that trunk garnish that goes right there.
Now she has 2 unibrows. Last mod, let's do her. The only thing I can't wait for now is when she's built and we can rip all around. Imagine her with a quad tip and just like the Subi rumble, like loud. Like I want this car loud.
Like straight piped?
Not quite straight pipe. Overall consensus, I really like it. It's pretty bitchin'.
Mod number 1, mod number 2, and mod number 3. Just a bunch of little boys, but she, as Bobby would say, she's bitchin'. What's your favorite mod?
No, those.
The exhaust eyes? You can't even see them.
I know, but I like the peekaboos.
Now we're gonna take her outside and go rip all this carbon fiber off in the snow.
I don't want to do that, baby.
I dig it. I really, really dig it. I wish we could do more mods, but too bad we spent all day drifting and wrecking curbs. Oh yeah. She looks mint. I really like that look. It's a vibe. It's a whole vibe.
It's a vibe.
What a beaut.